Good morning, what a lovely morning. The birds are singing. Hardly any breeze today, which is lovely. Just having a stroll on the beach, my morning stroll, before I move on today. Oh, it's lovely today. And I've just met a witch on the beach. Look at this, folks. What do you think of this? Just show you this, get the camera down nice and low, and show you the witch on the beach outside my camp. Is it a witch or is it the devil? It's got a horn, a big witch's crook nose. That's amazing, isn't it? I think it's a rhododendron stump or something, I'm not sure. But that looks, for intents and purposes, a witch to me. The witch on the beach here on the Isle of Arran. Wow. Amazing, eh? What a lovely day. Birds all around me. I had seals all over me last night. Wow. Yeah, I think it's a rhododendron stump or something. It looks like it, doesn't it? The witch on the beach here at my lovely camp. Alright, a few birds singing today. Forest birds, so there might be a bit more life with the squirrels. You never know. Hey, tufty tails. Catch you later.